Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on upload product videos on your Amazon app shopping. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that. Just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings. Then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on permissions. So and it's going to take you to next window here. You just switch into this window show for you, and you go down here, you keep going here, so you just go down and you come here to upload products videos. So you will click here on this mark or this color, and you just click, and like you say color it's gone, that's mean upload products videos it's on off now. So that's all you have to do, just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.